Hello students, this is my next lecture on basic concepts in economics. I am Professor Sanjay Tiwari from Srimati Lakshmibai Radhakishan Toshniwal College of Commerce, Akola. In our last period, we have already studied the various concepts of microeconomics. The basic concepts in economics like goods and services, utility, value, value in exchange, value in use, wealth, utility, scarcity, transferability, externality, thereafter the personal income, personal disposable income, and various types of income. Now in this video, in this lecture, we are going to study the economic activity. The economic activity can be classified into 4 types, and it includes a production, distribution, exchange, and consumption. This table shows the various economic activities. Under the production, we have to study the various factors of production which is helpful for making certain product, certain commodity. Thereafter, the second one is distribution. The division of factor rewards among the different arrangements of the society. The division of factors rewards among the different segments of the society. This is the second economic activity. The third one is exchange of goods, sale and purchase of goods and services. And the fourth one is consumption, making use of goods and services to satisfy certain human wants. So these 4 types include in economic activity. The first one is production, second one is distribution, third one is exchange, and the fourth one is consumption. Now the first one is, this picture shows us the commodity is produced in a factory, thereafter it is transported for the purpose of the distributions, thereafter exchange of goods, sale or purchase of goods, and the fourth picture shows the consumption. Now the first economic activities, that is a production. This is the first part of economic activities, and production means creation of utility. It is creation of utility. That means the raw material is converted into commodities such that these commodities satisfy certain human wants. For example, furniture from woods, cloth from cotton. These are the example of creation of utility. And in production, there are 4 factors of production, and they are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. These are the 4 essential, these are the factors of production. Without these factors, we cannot produce a single commodity. When these factors of production unite, we can create a certain utility from the raw material, and this process is known as the production. The first factor of production is land. In economics, land is a wider concept. It is the primary, natural, and original factor of production. According to Professor Marshall, Land means all the natural resources available on, above, and below the surface of the earth. For example, on the surface of the earth, mountains, rivers, forests, etc. Above the surface of the earth, air, sunshine, etc. Below the surface of the earth, gold, silver, coal, etc. The example, landlord gets rent for the productive use of land. That means a rent is paid as a income to the land. That means land earns rent in the process of productive activity. So this is a wider concept. This is not a narrow concept. The second factor of production is labor. Labor is a living factor of production. It is most active and human factor of production. Any physical or mental effort undergone during the production process to earn reward is called labor. And the remuneration of labor is wages. For example, a laborer working in a factory, a carpenter, an accountant, an engineer, etc. All these are the laborer. And they get the remuneration in the form of the wages. And second, this is the second factor of production. This is a active, this is a living factor, this is a human factor of production. The third factor of production is capital. Capital refers to produce means of production. It is the stock of capital assets which yield income. And capital earns interest for its productive use. Capital is a man-made factor of production. For example, machinery, raw material, factory building, technology, all these examples are included in capital. So this is a man-made factor of production. This is the third one. And the fourth factor of production is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the organizer and the controller of a business. He combines all the factors of production. He supervises the production process. He is a special kind of laborer who gets rewarded in the form of a profit. The reward of entrepreneur is profit. An entrepreneur is regarded as a real captain of the industry. He is a real captain. This is the fourth factor of production. That means the first one is land, the second labor, the third capital, and the fourth entrepreneur. These are the four factors of production, and these are very essential in the process of the production. Without these factors of production, we cannot produce a single good. The next economic activity is distribution. Next economic activity is distribution. Now, what is the meaning of distribution? Distribution यानी क्या? It is a division of factor rewards among the different segments of the society. The factors of production claim their rewards of rent, wages, interest, and profit through the process of distribution. That means while making or while distributing the income towards all the factors of production, this is the another activity of another economic activities. It is a division of factors of rewards among the different segments. That means income distributed towards all the factors of production. यानी कि फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को जो हम इनकम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द रेवेंट, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द वेजेस, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट, दिस इज द अनदर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. दिस इज द सेकंड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. The third economic activity is exchange. The third economic activity is exchange. Exchange यानी क्या? It is give and take between the various units in the economy. It refers to the sale and the purchase of goods and services. In economics, exchange is necessarily a monetary transaction. That means give and take or sale or purchase is took place with the help of the money. This is the another economic activities. And the next one, the fourth one is consumption. It is making use of goods and services to satisfy human wants. कंजम्पशन यानी उसको जब तक कि हम कंज्यूम नहीं करते, यूटिलाइज नहीं करते, जब तक कि उसका हम यूज नहीं करते, वापर नहीं करते, तब तक कि उस वस्तु से मिलने वाली उपयोगिता हमारे को दिखाई नहीं पड़ती है. तो कंजम्पशन क्या कहता है? कंजम्पशन यानी जो माल बना है, जो कमोडिटी मैन्युफैक्चर हुई है, जो प्रोड्यूस हुई है, जिसको प्रोड्यूस करने के वक्त जो जो फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन उनको हम लोगों ने जो इनकम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है, उसके बाद में उसका सेल एंड परचेस यानी मार्केट में उसको हमने एक्सचेंज किया है. और जब तक कि उस वस्तु का हम उपयोग नहीं करेंगे, कंज्यूम नहीं करेंगे, तब तक के हमारे को उसमें से किसी भी प्रकार का सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता. So this is the another economic activities, consumption. These are the various economic activities. Without these economic activities, ये पूरे के पूरे चारों की चारों एक में के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में क्या है कि 4 फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन द्वारा किसी प्रकार का माल का निर्माण किया गया है, कोई कमोडिटी बनाई गई है. जंगल से लकड़ा काट के लाया, उसका फर्नीचर बनाया. फर्नीचर बनाने के बाद में वो फर्नीचर बनाते वक्त जो जो लगा, जंगल से लकड़ा लाया, इसका मतलब लैंड आ गया, उसके ऊपर लेबर वर्क किया गया, ऑटोमेटिक लेबर आ गए, मशीन वर्क किया गया, कैपिटल आ गई, बिल्डिंग जहाँ पे उसका पूरा हम लोग फर्नीचर में कन्वर्शन किया गया. उसके बाद में ये लकड़ा लाके काटने में लेबर लोगों को जो मेहनत आना जा रहा है, रेंट यानी कि जो लकड़ा खरीद के लाया हुआ है, फिर उसके बाद में जो कैपिटल जो यूज़ हुआ है, मशीनरीज वगैरह जो उसमें जो खर्च हुआ है, तो ये इस तरह से पूरी प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस हो जाती है. प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस होने के बाद में इनकम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है सभी लोगों को, फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को. फिर ये माल आता है मार्केट में. मार्केट में क्यों आता है? फॉर सेलिंग और परचेसिंग दिस गुड्स. एंड दिस इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मनी. पैसे से ही इस प्रकार का लेन देन किया जाता है. और कौन लोग इसको परचेस करते हैं? जो इसको कंज्यूम करना चाहते हैं, जिसमें से इनको लोगों को, जिन लोगों को उसमें से उपयोगिता दिखाई पड़ती है, वो लोग ये वस्तुओं को खरीदते हैं. और इसी को कहा जाता है कि कंजम्पशन. यानी ये जो चारों प्रोसेस है, प्रोडक्शन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एक्सचेंज एंड कंजम्पशन, ये 4 इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ हमारे को दिखाई पड़ती है. Now here we conclude our topic. Thank you.